Hello everyone and welcome back. One of the most effective ways to try and lose weight is by completing a good old-fashioned cardio workout. Cardiovascular exercise burns the body's stored fat, improving insulin sensitivity and overall metabolism. It also helps prevent heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and other chronic conditions that are commonly associated with obesity. But aside from losing weight and preventing these diseases, cardio workouts can have surprising benefits for your brain as well. Research has shown that exercise provides a variety of cognitive benefits, from improving memory to increasing general intelligence. If you're looking for a way to improve your brain function while fighting against obesity at the same time, then it might be worth considering doing some cardio. Here are some of the most surprising benefits of cardio workouts on your brain. 1. Lifts depression. You might think that depression is just a mental problem, but the truth is, it's actually a very physical problem too. The psychological symptoms may be more obvious, but the root of depression lies in brain chemistry. Specifically, neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine are heavily involved in depression, and low levels can cause symptoms such as moodiness, lack of attention, personality changes, and even thoughts of suicide. Fortunately, cardio workouts have been shown to help combat low levels of neurotransmitters, including dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, and even testosterone. It's no coincidence that people who engage in cardio on a regular basis are significantly less likely to suffer from depression. These mental health benefits are likely a result of increased blood flow throughout the body, which is caused by the increase in intensity during an exercise session. 2. Improves memory and thinking skills. It's a common stereotype that athletes and other fitness enthusiasts are smart. It must be their active lifestyle that gives them the advantage, right? Well, science has proven otherwise. There is actually a direct correlation between exercise and improved memory and thinking skills. The benefits of aerobic exercise on memory have been shown to mimic the effects of intense mental activity. Recent evidence suggests you can also enhance your thinking skills by engaging in aerobic exercise. One study found that those who completed a high-intensity interval workout showed significant improvements in cognitive function and IQ scores. 3. Reduces brain tumors and stroke risk. Cardio workouts have been shown to reduce the risk of brain tumors and stroke. In one study, researchers evaluated over 6,000 for the effects of exercise on the overall risk of brain cancer in both men and women. The results revealed that people with abdominal obesity were very likely to develop brain tumors. They then compared the rates of cancer between people who didn't engage in cardio and those who did. Men who didn't engage in cardio had 21% higher risk of brain tumors. Women who didn't engage in cardio had 31% higher risk of stroke. What's that mean? For men, if you're not moving, your risk of developing a brain tumor goes up, and so does your chance of suffering from a stroke. For women, if you're not moving, your risk of suffering from a stroke goes up, and so does your chance of developing a brain tumor. In short, weight loss through cardio can reduce the likelihood of getting cancer and stroke. 4. Regulates your metabolism and helps you lose weight. Metabolic syndrome is characterized by high blood pressure, high blood sugar levels, abdominal obesity, insulin resistance, and high cholesterol. Research shows that diet and exercise have a powerful ability to affect your metabolic profile. If you engage in low-intensity cardio exercises, you can change your metabolism by as much as 10%. That's a very powerful contribution. So, if you are lazy and heavy, by exercising in such a way that is easy on the body, but hard on the system, then you can still lose weight. We hope you understand better how cardio can totally change your lifestyle now. Don't hesitate to share your results with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on